Today, I would like to spend a few minutes with you today to talk about our new rapid onboarding feature that we launched this year. So let's talk about why is rapid onboarding important? Well, the answer is quite simple. When we talk to our customers, we learn from them that onboarding continues to be a big pain point in AppSec. And what we have done with this feature is reduced massively the onboarding friction that our customers tell us about. Second, what it allows you to do is onboard hundreds of repositories within minutes into Polaris. And this enables you to not only reduce your time to value with the Polaris offering, but also massively increases the rate of return on investment that you get with Polaris. This enables you to now not spend time hosting servers or setting up your checkers. But what you can really focus on is working with your team to mature your AppSec program. What we have done is we have tailored this rapid onboarding experience to really meet the needs of our enterprise customers. Through hundreds of conversations that we have had with our customers, what we have done is we can now automatically map to your GitHub repositories. And not only can we do automatic assignments, but you can also choose custom onboarding options to meet your enterprise use cases. Second, we allow you to assign default policies to these onboarded applications or assign custom policies based on what some of your individual teams may need. And then finally, we allow you to assign roles to users as part of the onboarding process so that after setup, you don't need to touch it. Scanning truly becomes invisible as part of the process. And you can, once again, spend time not on scanning, but spend time on working with your development teams to mature your AppSec program. So let's go into a quick demo over here. So what we essentially need to do is you need to select this option of new application with SCM, and you put in your GitHub token. So as soon as you do that, what you will see all the repos that this token has access to that you see in this table down below over here. Now you can choose directly, import repositories, and we will assign automatically policies. But what we have learned from our customers is they want to do things a little differently sometimes. So what you will see over here is we are mapping users to these roles over here. We are mapping policy automatically as part of the onboarding process. And then we are going to select a new application, create a new application over here, select which repositories we want, and then hit on import repositories. So as soon as you do that, what you will see is we trigger off a job where we are now creating these applications and projects directly connected to your GitHub repos. So we'll give it a second for this job to complete, but it's almost done. And once this job completes in a second, what you will see is we don't just create the applications and projects for you. We go a step further. So now you see that the job has completed, and we can see this new application project. We have also automatically started all these hundreds of tests for you. So this is truly a game changer for enterprise companies, where we are once again making scanning invisible for you and allowing you to focus on how to mature and develop your AppSec program.